What's the meaning of cottage? Cottage. Cottage.
Cottage. Cottage. A cottage refers to a small, often cozy dwelling, typically situated in a rural or semi-rural location. These homes are usually modest in size and may have a thatched or slate roof. They are often associated with simple country living, either as a primary residence or a vacation home. Cottages may also be used as rental properties, particularly for tourists seeking a quaint and peaceful holiday experience. In addition to their charming appearance, cottages often feature gardens or pastoral views, adding to the overall appeal of these quaint and picturesque dwellings.